Hey guys, welcome back to another review, and today I've got some headphones. Now, headphones, okay, pretty boring stuff, but these ones are really cool. So this is from a company called Mixcder, and the model of the headphones is called E9. Now, these are some very high quality headphones at a very affordable price. Now, the company Mixcder itself actually sent me these headphones, and they asked, can you do a review on them? I said, sure, why not? It's not a paid review, I'm just going to give my honest opinion on these headphones. So let's crack it open and let's see what we get inside. Right, so alright, so you get this pouch inside, and it's a very nice quality pouch. Has the company, has the logo there, Mixcder. So let's crack it open. Let's see what we have. So we have the headphones themselves, a little bag full of goodies. So let's see. Let's put the headphones to the side. Let's see what this bag actually has. Right, so first things first, instruction manual or user manual. Pretty standard, I'll put that to the side. You get these. I thought it was a sticker at first. No, it's not, it's just a warranty. So basically the warranty of the product as well. Really cool. You get an adapter. Now, I believe this is actually a plane adapter. So some planes, older planes at least, not all of them, but some planes, they still have these I think they're 2.5mm jacks. Correct me if I'm wrong, but basically two of them, and they do it just because, you know, if you're on the flight, they basically force you to buy their expensive, not expensive, but overpriced crappy headphones. So it actually comes with a little adapter, and I think that's really cool. A standard USB charging cable and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm wire. So pretty good. All the accessories you need in a nice little pouch, and user manual. But we don't care about cables, we care about the actual headphones themselves. So let's take them out of their pouch. It is a really nice pouch, just to say. Really nice quality, I like that. And the headphones themselves. So, first impressions. Good, very good. I mean, just the way they feel really nice. I mean, it's little details I'm already picking up on these headphones that you can tell they are good quality compared to, you know, very low quality headphones. Everything feels nice, it feels well made, all the materials are really nice and soft. So actually on the side where you can adjust the head size, if that makes sense, they actually have numbers etched into it. So 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you can figure out which size you like, and then, you know, you never have to kind of, oh, is that the right size? No, a bit more. You actually quite literally see, right, I'm a size 20, perfect, you know, and it works every time. So that's really cool, I like that. I'm gonna pop them on without actually playing anything, just to see how they feel on my head. And straight away, I mean, you can see how they look. They look pretty good. I hope so. They look good. Straight away, I can't hear absolutely anything around me. It is completely quiet. That is amazing. And they're not even switched on right now. So this is just a pure sound dampening from the headphones themselves, from the actual cushion. So as you can expect, on the actual headphones, you get all the usual buttons, on, off, you've got a microphone, charging port, sound volume up and down, active noise control, so basically noise cancelling, you can switch it on and off as well. Headphone jack, you know, for the wire, and that's pretty much it. So all the essentials. Let's turn them on. Okay, power on. Let's hook it up to Bluetooth. Now I'm going to switch off noise cancelling, because we're in a quiet room, and I'm going to test it afterwards with noise cancelling. Alright, let's find a track. Amazing! Absolutely amazing! Okay. Bloody hell, the sound quality is fantastic. Jeez, I did not expect that. You know what, actually, I'm going out on the whim here, but honestly speaking, probably the best headphones I've ever tried. Now, I'm not going to say, I'm not an expert when it comes to headphones. I certainly haven't tried every headphone on the market, but I've owned quite a few headphones in the past, and honestly, I had these Sony headphones last, and I used them always on flights because they were generally my favorite headphones, and they costed quite a bit of money. They were definitely over £100, and no, these are better. These do not compare. I even had it the wrong way round. This is left, that's right. So I'm going to try it with the right way round, and I'm going to switch on noise cancelling. So let's give that a go. All right, noise cancelling. That sounds so, oh, that's so weird. Wow. You can't hear anything. I can't hear myself at all. Literally cannot hear anything. I can't hear anything. That's amazing. That is wow. All right, with the noise cancelling switched on, it's even better. I don't even know why you'd ever switch it off, to be honest. It's kind of dangerous. If you were walking on the street with these on, you hear absolutely nothing. I'm pretty sure I was speaking quite loud and I couldn't hear myself. I was banging on the table with a remote, couldn't hear it at all, could hear nothing. That's scary, actually. That's really, really good. But do you know what that does mean? It means if you do fly a lot, let's be honest, finding headphones that work on a plane properly is always a bit difficult. These 100%, these are going to be my new not everyday headphones, because I don't really wear headphones every day, but these are going to be definitely my new travel headphones. And I think that is really what they're marketing it for as well, hence why you got the little adapter. The few things I'm really impressed with. Number one, actual build quality. I'm very impressed with it. It feels extremely comfortable to wear. They don't hurt, they don't kind of pinch behind your ear or around your neck, or they're really comfortable to wear, and you'll notice that right away as soon as you pop them on. Another thing I want to mention is the active noise cancelling technology, or whatever you want to call it, that these particular headphones have are probably the best I've ever experienced. The sound quality themselves, the bass is really good. I put on a hip hop track, and naturally you're going to want it to be quite bassy. Bass, really, really good. If anything, probably too much bass, but that's all down to equalizers as well. You can change that around. And another big selling point of these headphones is in wireless mode, so Bluetooth connected mode. The battery life lasts 30 hours. So you can have a full long day of traveling literally around the world, and these will still work. But obviously everything does come down to price, and this is where they pull out their trump card. Now, I would happily pay about £150 for these headphones, but you can get about 3 of these headphones for £150, well, almost 3, because they cost about $80 a pop. So really, really affordable. Let's be honest, absolutely affordable. They are really good if you're in the market for some really good headphones that especially work really well on plane or in noisy environments. Don't waste your money on the really expensive stuff. These are affordable, really affordable, and the quality that they produce are 10 out of 10. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more things being unboxed and reviewed, then go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also turn on notifications so you never miss any of my new uploads. Once again, thank you for watching, and until next time, feed your mind.